We want to create a product that helps you perform some of the most common tasks inside of a credit card. After months of designing and prototyping, we're ready to introduce you to Cypher.
Cypher is made with carbon fibre, a premium material which is widely used in aerospace industry. So here is the question: will Cypher blend?
The idea of Cypher came to life in London, and when the project funding is successful, we'll make a thank you video in front of the Houses of Parliament and London Eye to show our gratitude to you all amazing collectors.